Symptoms of a bad brake master cylinder. The master cylinder is an essential component of the car's braking system, functioning as the primary valve that pushes brake fluid to activate the brake pads. It plays a crucial role in bringing the car to a stop when the brakes are applied. Any malfunctions in the master cylinder can result in road accidents. Keep an eye out for the following signs of master cylinder failure. 1. Check engine light indicates. The check engine light has sensors that detect any part of the engine that has malfunctioned. When it comes on, you need an expert to diagnose the problem. If the problem is with the master cylinder, take appropriate action as soon as possible. 2. The brake pedal behaves abnormally. A problem with the brake master cylinder will cause the brake pedal to behave abnormally. All the pressure in the braking system is generated from the master cylinder. If it malfunctions, the cylinder will not distribute pressure properly and the pedal will be affected. Continuing to use your car with a bad cylinder will cause it to deteriorate and eventually develop leaks. The pedal will also feel spongy, mushy, and may sink far down when pressed. 3. Fluid leakage. If you notice any leakage from the brake master cylinder, it may indicate that the cylinder has problems. For the cylinder to work well, it needs an adequate amount of brake fluid to exert enough pressure to stop the car. When the fluid leaks, you'll find it difficult to stop the vehicle. 4. Brake fluid gets contaminated. If your brake fluid becomes contaminated, it may indicate that there are issues with the master cylinder. There are rubber seals on the master cylinder that wear out and break down with continuous use. When that happens, the brake fluid will get contaminated. When the seals are damaged, the cylinder will not hold fluid or brake pressure effectively, and this will cause the pedal to be mushy. Perfect! These symptoms indicates a bad brake master cylinder. If this video was very informative, go hit the subscribe button right now and I'll see you in the next video.